Today I'll show you one of the lights from IKEA, the Solhetta, Solhetta, 1.5 watts only, and it's 250 lumen, 25 watts equivalent. And I wanted something like this. I wanted something very low power, and also 2700 Kelvin, so it's warm light, and it's not adjusted, not dimmable. CRI 90 plus, we'll see about that. E14, so it's a small type of screw, Edison 14. That's the information on the side here. So there is no dimming on this one. The energy efficiency is type C, 2 kilowatt hours per 1000 hours, whatever that means. Some information about this product itself, some serial code or something. And let's see. I have another video where I show you how they work in IKEA, but I want to try them here and see if they flicker. I don't know why most of the lights from IKEA flicker a lot. Okay, so this is, I will actually only need one. So here you have this type of simple, the new style of filament, and it's only two of them. And this shouldn't really flicker at all, and I don't think this one flickers. When I did a test in IKEA, it was some other lights around that were flickering. This is information, 1.5 watt, 15 milliampere hours for this light. IKEA. You can pause the video to see some details if you want here. There it's easier to read it. 166 lumen per watt, 2700 Kelvin, made in China. Okay. And this is just disposal information. Okay, I'm not even going to open that. I want to try this to see on a lamp in the home here. I want to see how it looks like if it's flickering. I don't think this will flicker because this style of LEDs, they don't really flicker. There's not much there. This is just connected to the mains. Maybe there is a driver there inside. It looks like there should be some driver though, so there is still a chance that it might flicker. So let's see. I'll connect it to a lamp, to an E14 size lamp, small lamp, and we'll see how it goes. Thanks for watching, and watch the flicker, the light in action in the room. Screw it back in. Okay, so it's ready. This is the color, it's a bit yellowish. Nice, thanks for watching. By the way, this is glass, so be careful not to break it. There are two, so I'll keep one for another light. These are really useful for night lights or for really small tiny desk lights where you don't want to have too much power consumption. It's only 1.5 watts, so this could be left on all night, and you could even have it on a timer to turn off automatically in the morning and turn on automatically in the evening. So now real-time example of this light. Thanks for watching.